Okay, come on. Whee! Come on. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Juliet, in case you're new here. So today I'll be doing another vlog of a play date with my son in kindergarten here in Toowoomba, Australia. I want you to come with me while I show you what the play date looks like. I mean, I got a mail from the school that parents should come in, either their dad or the mom. Okay, no, actually moms should come in and have a play date with their child. So that's why I'm already to go for the play date. So come with me while I take you to the school. I'm going to give you little information about the school as I go. Okay guys, so this is the way to the school. I'm actually very close there already. I couldn't really do a lot of vlogging, yeah, but to show you the way to the school. But yeah, I am just here by the school. I'm going to show you what the school looks like, and I won't be taking the pupils in the school because I don't have permission to do that. So you just stay with me while I do this covering today. The school here, my son is 4 years, so if you're within 3 to 4 years, you can join the kindergarten. And yeah, so we'll be entering there now. First of all, I'm going to grab my hat because you need to wear a hat for you to go in the sun for play. Even the children will wear hats. Okay, so this is what the school looks like. Entering there now. See my son. Then this is the name of the school here. Hello, thank you. Yeah, they're walking into the school. Yes, you are tall. Yeah, this is what the entrance looks like. We're gonna be entering. Push it, boy. Go in. Good. And I'm supposed to sign in today. Yeah, but I will do that later. Now this is what the entrance looks like. My son is in kindy, opossum and all. This is other classroom, but my son is in this class. Other kids are outside playing, so we're going to just go in there, go out there and join them. See the classroom. This is what it looks like. Yeah, so this is where we're going to be doing our play date. So yeah, this is where they keep their sleep bag. Everybody comes with their sleep bag, and you put your maybe your bedspread and all that. Then the school provides you with a mattress. You cover it up with your child's favorite sheets, and you also bring your child's favorite toy in school from home, so your child can sleep with it. Now look at here. This is what their classroom looks like. Then they all sit here before they begin, or after they play outside. They come, all of them sit here. They're not many in the class. They sit here and have a time with the teacher. Then this is the TV where they put lullaby for them, and they just fills the air while they sleep. Now this is what their classroom looks like. Not bad at all. Yeah, so that's the outside space where children play. So when you come, you put your child's lunch box in the fridge. Your child's lunch box is already labeled, and then the child puts his water bottle outside, close to the sunscreen box. You know, you have to apply sunscreen on your child so they don't get sunburn. Okay, so this is the bag areas. It's actually labeled where our children keep their bags. Now this is my son's bag. It's falling off. I need to keep it well. Then this is the rest area. It's a fine place. Then this is storage cupboard where they keep extra things. In case your child forgets a hat, they give the child a hat to play with. Yeah, then they play out here sometimes, especially when it's raining outside. Yeah, this is what the outside looks. This is where they put their bottle. So when you play and you get thirsty, come here, grab your bottle. Then this other place, don't mind my son, is everywhere. Okay, so I don't know what he wants to do first, but let's check out what he wants to do first. Then I'm going to cover him all up in this video. Okay, so what's that? Oh, make sure you don't fall, okay? Sorry. What happened? Sorry. Okay. Whoa, that's good. Make sure you don't fall, okay? Just take it easy. Woo! Okay, so what else do you want to do? Okay. Sorry. Okay, get up. Oh, is that the right way? That doesn't look like the right way. Hey. It is? Oh, okay. That's okay. Is that the right way? Okay. Yeah, I see you. Yes. Okay, come on. Whee! Come on. Look at it. Okay. Playtime. This is a play date. So just come around and see what your child does before they go in and have their morning tea and every other thing. Okay, so what would you want to do with that? Don't pour it on yourself, okay? Go on, do what you were doing.
Can get in if they want to, and the insects can get out if they want to. But the worms stay in there and they make their special worm juice. And that worm juice can be used on our gardens.
Yeah, did you hear that? The worms make juice and the juices are used for their gardens, I guess, to grow their plants there. Yeah. You're showing me the flowers. Okay. Is it where you guys bring the worm juice? There is pink. There is purple.
And there's another.
Where is purple? Show me. Here. Here. Oh, this one's here. Purple.
Yeah.
Yeah. And there's a bit of white.
Yeah.
Good job.
And then,
Yeah. Hula hooping. Okay. Make sure you don't fall. Okay. Do hula hoop for me. Is that how they do it? You don't even know how to do hula hoop. That place my son just took me to. He said there's a house on the hill. So what do you guys do here?
we think something pretend.
Oh, you do some pretend tea?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. So what else do you do?
We also do inside morning tea.
Morning tea?
Yep.
Like a pretend morning tea?
Yeah.
Okay, this place looks good. If you're doing very well, these are the zones. If you're in the blue zone, you get to the blue zone when you're sad, sick or tired. Then you get to the green zone when you're happy, calm, feeling good and focused. Then you get to the yellow zone when you're frustrated, worried or silly. Then red zone is a terrible zone when you're mad or angry, when you're terrified, yelling, hitting, elated and out of control. I really love this place here. So my son is in the green zone. You can see him here in the front. Yay.
Piano.
No, I mean here.
Um.
Why do you have coloring pencils, scissors, and all that?
So we can you do the
For craft?
paper.
You use scissors to cut papers for craft.
Yeah. And
Then you play piano sometimes?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we also use coloring pen.
You also use coloring pencils.
And this is my name over here.
Your name? Oh, your name is over there again too. Okay, that was good. Then what happens here? What's here?
Our books.
Okay, your books. I see your own there. See you there, opening your teeth. That's really good.
Yeah. Look at all my friends.
All your friends here. Okay, that's good. Then what are all these things on the wall?
Painting.
They are paintings. Do you have a painting there?
Yeah.
Can you identify your painting?
Yeah.
Which one is your painting?
The one that. Yeah. Found it.
Here. My son just showed me his painting here. Yeah, that's his painting. It's up here. So they try to do some craft and painting and all that. So if you paint it, put your own up if it's nice. Everybody's own is here. Good job.
Yeah. And these are other.
Yeah. Okay guys, so that's the end of my play date with my son. I hope you saw the school. In case you're into Umba and you're wondering the school you can take your son to, maybe kindergarten, you can think of bringing them here. Glennie is actually a girls' school, but the kindergarten is mixed. It's for both girls and boys. So that's why my son is here. But after the kindergarten, I think from the prep to the older years are majorly for girls. So it's a lovely school. The teachers are very warm and the students, the pupils rather, are also very lovely and nice. Okay, I'll see my next video guys. Bye bye.